In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Notion with Toggl using Zapier. By the end of this tutorial, you will have created a seamless connection between these two powerful tools for improved productivity. Start by opening your web browser and navigate into the Notion website by typing notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, ensure you are at the Notion homepage where you can see your workspace or dashboard. Next, open a new tab in your browser. This can typically be done by clicking on the plus icon next to your currently open tabs. This new tab will be used to access the Zapier website. In the new tab, type Zapier.com in the address bar and press enter. Wait for the page to fully load, and you should see the Zapier homepage, which features various automation solutions. Once on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create button, usually located towards the top right corner of the screen. Click on Create to begin setting up After clicking Create, you will be directed to a new page. Here, find and click on the Zaps option in the navigation menu on the left side. This will take you to the area where you can manage your Zaps. In the Zaps section, locate the search bar and type Notion to Toggl. This will help you find the specific integration setup related to these two applications. Make sure to hit enter to see the results. Following the search, click on the Start Building button that appears in the results. This will take you to the Zap editor, where you can customize your integration. Wait for Zapier to process your request. This may take a few moments, so be patient as the platform prepares the necessary features for you to continue. Once processed, you will see options to select an app. Click on Notion from the list presented to you. This action indicates that you want to set up a trigger using Notion. After selecting Notion, you will need to choose a trigger event. Look for the trigger event drop-down menu and click on it. You will see various options related to Notion. In the drop-down, select New Data Source Item as your trigger event. This setting will allow Zapier to respond to new items added in Notion. Next, you will need to confirm your selection by clicking on New Data Source Item, again in the editor. This ensures that the correct trigger is set. Now, locate the Account section where you will need to connect your Notion account. Click on Account to proceed with the connection. After clicking Account, find and click on the Connect Notion button. This will prompt you to log into your Notion account if you are not already authenticated. Once connected, you will proceed to set up the Toggl integration. Click on Toggl Track from the list of available apps to select it as your action app. Following that, you will need to specify an action event. Click on the Action Event drop-down menu to reveal available actions for Toggl. From the drop-down, select Create Time Entry. This action will allow you to create entries in Toggl based on triggers from Notion. After making your selection, click on Create Time Entry again to confirm your action. This tells Zapier to set up the integration with the chosen parameters. Next, navigate to the Account section once again. Click on Account to specify which Toggl account you want to connect. You will now see the Connect Tog Track option. Click on this button to link your Toggl account with Zapier, allowing for data transfer between the two services. Once the connection is established, you will be ready to finalize your integration. Ensure all your selections are correct before proceeding to activate the Zap. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.